I wasted 2 minutes just talking bullshit. You're telling me your parents were attending a funeral and you literally snuck out of your house. I should not laugh at that, but oh my god. Like what? How dumb are your friends, man? Hi. Okay, first of all, it is 12 a.m. at night. 12 a.m. No jokes. I'll show you. But like, it's currently 12:28 a.m. at night, and my dumb ass wanted to shoot a video and just could not wait till tomorrow. I just couldn't. Like, it's like, wait, what? Give me a second, I need to get everything in notes so that, yes, great, we can start. I think this is a good angle. I went to a function today, so that's the reason I have these eyeliner and stuff on. But we're gonna ignore that and we're gonna just move past the fact that Gauri has eyeliner on at 12:30 at night. I'm probably gonna remove it before I sleep, but I swear, like, I wasted 2 minutes just talking bullshit. Let's restart. Hey guys, I'm Gauri. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna do a part 2 of revealing my subscribers' secrets. So we're gonna just start. Oh, it's getting kind of chilly in here. My parents made me and my ex break up. I really loved him. I took a lot of cash from my dad's wardrobe and ran away. I came home after 3 weeks and it's been 8 months. I'm still grounded. You still grounded? Bro, what? I can't even wrap my mind around that. Like, running away from your house for like 3 damn weeks? I don't know what to say really. Like, okay, maybe you love him, but why would you take cash and like run away? Just run away for no reason? See, your parents might be strict and all, but they really care for you. And honestly, running away or doing stuff to yourself or something which is gonna harm your parents or you in any way is bad and shouldn't be done. I got serious. So there was a guy who I met. There was a guy whom I loved, and I became a bit selfish for the first time, and I kind of ruined his relationship by creating fake chats. And he was again in love with me, but I was feeling guilty, and I told him, and he left, and it kind of sucked without him. See, to be honest, you shouldn't have like made those fake chats in the first place. Okay, I kind of am happy that you told him the fact that you did all that, and I think it was very normal for him to leave. So I would really say don't do such stuff because it genuinely makes the person lose trust and interest in you, because it'll be like you just pulled him towards you and he did not want to come, if that makes sense. I snuck out of my house to meet my friends while my parents were attending someone's funeral. I should not laugh at that, but oh my god. Okay, so you're telling me your parents were attending a funeral and you literally snuck out of your house. Okay, what? That makes no sense. Why would you sneak out? Like, I don't know. I mean, to be honest, that kind of sounds like me, but I don't usually go to funerals, and my recently there've been no deaths around me. So here is my secret. I dated a boy for 7 months. We broke up at 15 July through text. He had to break up with me because his mom won't let him date me, and my family doesn't know about all this, and I'm not comfortable to tell them. Okay, you should find somebody to talk to, because I am pretty sure you must be very sad, and you know, it's like somebody you really liked. And I know what to say really, but parents can be strict at times, and I think that makes the child does not want to open up, which is kind of bad when the child does not open up. But yeah, like, you just need to sometimes accept the fact before you move on. There's this phase which you call acceptance. So it's okay to take time to accept, but accept before you move on. That's what I wanted to say. My ex and I dated for a month. We were best friends for a really long time. We never liked each other but went for it because we were bored. Now I don't talk to him anymore and we hate each other. He was very toxic though. I used to talk to him only because I liked his brother. You're telling me you dated your best friend, found out that he's toxic, and you were talking to him only because you liked his brother. Why do you date him? That makes no sense. Why did you date him? Okay, that's kind of funny. I know I shouldn't laugh at it, but like it is. So I'm sorry if you feel bad. No offense. I really support you and really happy that okay, yeah, first also like I'm really thankful for people who came down here and got the courage to write all this, because some things people just can't say even if it's anonymous. So thank you for trusting me and sharing your secrets with me. I love you guys. I kissed my best friend because no one kissed her. Bro, what? Oh my god, I kissed your best friend because nobody liked her. Okay, I mean, no one kissed her. Oh crap, no one kissed her. So like, I don't know what to say really. If she was okay with it, I don't have a problem, but why would you go for it? Like, okay, best friend, moral support and all, but what? I'm shooting.
Good. ये कोक है
खत्म हो गई, मैंने खत्म कर दी. Say hi.
Hello.
Are you okay? I really don't want to have medicines, so I just took my medicines and kept it in my uncle's medicine box, and I acted like I finished them all. To be honest, I hate medicines. I am scared of medicines. I don't even take them on my periods because I just feel they are useless. I mean, when it's, on periods, I just feel medicines are useless because they've never helped me. I have tried every remedy in periods and it sucks. Like, I hate my periods. I mean, I would do the same thing. I have dating my best friends act like you are dating or like you were. I would really say it should be a were because bro. I didn't like my best friend, so I told my ex to flirt with her and then I could tell her I want to end our friendship. First of all, why did you make her your best friend if you didn't like her? I would suggest you don't do that because if you don't like her, I don't know what's the right thing to do. I don't know how to react to that, but like it's okay, it's up on you. It's really your opinion, so it's okay. I kissed my cousin one day and he proposed me and now we're in a relationship. My parents won't agree. Okay, I don't have an objection dating your cousins. It's okay, it's your thing. But why? I mean, I could never. I hate all of my cousins. Like, not hate, but like, blech, hate. They just suck. I don't think one of my cousin is such who I could date. You really need to do something like, I don't know. It's kind of funny to be honest, but okay. I secretly hate my best friend's other best friend and I think she likes her more than me, even though she has hurt her multiple times. Okay, so see, it's really up to them. If they want to be friends, let them be friends, and be honest with her that if she does not want to be friends with you, she can leave, because obviously you would not want somebody in your life who does not really like you but is just with you for no reason. It's kind of confusing in this situation, and be honest with her that if she does not want to be friends with you, she can leave, because obviously you would not want somebody in your life who does not really like you but is just with you for no reason. It's kind of confusing in this situation. Tell her to, and I wouldn't say tell her to choose, because it'll be bad and it'll be a really bad advice to give anybody, and I don't want to give advices because it'll be like mere advice pe kar diya na mere pe naam aa jayega. Isliye I just want to say ki try to be okay with it, but if you're not, then you need to think of something or anything which is best for you and do that. But make sure it actually is good for everybody. Yeah, I'm in a relationship with my cousin. Hold up. Why is everybody in a relationship with their cousin? Ignore my name. Why is everybody in a relationship with their cousins? Why? Ugh. But okay, whatever. Let me continue. But I'm dating other guy. You're dating somebody and you're in a relationship with your cousin. I don't know if you're a playgirl or a playboy, but whoever you are, bro, you gotta chill. You can't date like two people at once, right? Anyways, like generally that's funny. My crush kissed me when we were at one of our good friend's house and partying later. I was tired and I acted to be asleep. He doesn't know that I know it. This was long, lol. Oh my god, how exciting it must be, right? Like having your crush kiss you, like, oh, I don't have a crush, but like, to be honest, I've never had a crush, like a genuine crush who I could like literally die for types. But ooh, What's wrong with me? Okay. Made love with my ex even after we broke up. Why did you break up? I don't get it. Why do you wanna I don't know what to say really. It's just weird and confusing. For your best friend especially. Nice talking to you guys today. That's the end of the video, and I am so happy you guys bared with my face and my hair up and like me being a total mess. But I wanted to make this video so bad. I'm gonna take a few thumbnail pictures and then I'm just gonna probably sleep because I have to keep shooting tomorrow. And thank you so much for putting in your suggestions, your questions, your secrets, everything. I couldn't take the suggestions and questions because this was just a secrets video, but thank you so much. Genuinely, I love you guys so much, and keep supporting me, keep loving me. I'll keep posting videos. I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube. I think everybody can see that I post every Monday and Thursday. Also, subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Leave a thumbs up, and if you've seen the video so far, you're a real one, so comment down that I'm a real one so that I know that you actually saw the video. Okay guys, bye.